Before we go into creating a book cover, I wanted to mention a few things about basic licensing rules for images and fonts. Did you know that images have copyright? Did you know that you can get in legal trouble for using an image without permission? Did you also know that there are fonts and images that can't be used for anything that generates money, which is also known as commercial use purposes? I mention these things not to alarm you, but to help make you aware that there are some considerations that you need to make. You can't simply find any old image you please online and slap it on your book cover. Even your choice of font has to be considered more carefully than that. It's all in order to help keep you safe from potential legal or financial consequences. Fortunately, there are free online resources you can use that should be generally safe for images and font. Let's take a look at some popular resources online that you can use freely to find images and fonts for your book cover. The first is Pexels.com. If you click on the license button at the top of their page, you will see that their photos can be downloaded and used for free. They also have a what is allowed and what is not allowed section that you can adhere to. Another popular image resource online is Unsplash.com. They have a similar license page that goes into details about how you can and cannot use their images. Finally, for fonts, a very good option is fontlibrary.org. At the top of their page, if you click the Fonts button and scroll down on the right side until you see the Licenses section, the font license that you are specifically looking for is OFL, the SIL Open Font License. If you click there, Font Library will show you all the list of fonts that are available under this specific license. Any of these fonts are able to be used freely in commercial purposes without worry. For even further information on this topic, be sure to reference the resources at the end of this course, as there are many other helpful links and considerations that you will want to keep in mind, especially if you are selling your book.